how Buhari and the brutal terrorist organization killing our people. Then, unfortunately, I saw a video about Wazirike and Nosop people. They are saying that there will be an election in Anambra State. Well, you see, in this life, everywhere is free, but stay in jail. Wazirike, you are elderly man, but that you are elderly man does not mean that you know everything. Ana amata chahelele amata kamlani Igbo. Ibidoro njema true. Then anagide anuzoli Elijah. After Ishinanga Pota, anuzoli Elijah, nothing. Then everything have time. Tamunna de Kala Pota. Everything anaga. Ayana fi anaga kabu atupu kita akora nante. Izore. Nka atupu ya ezia. Have you seen the stage eba noketa na leba iruguru? Biafra is already here. But I'm here with Sobugi. I started the Kugoku before. So that many people should stop insulting ourselves. Kaparu Wanyu. Giwa, Nam de Kalu, not Ogla Giwa particularly. Wakwagi with a respectful name. So, you yourself will recommend their him because, yeah. Before the Hana Chete will call Jim and Chete Koma. A Chetequenke Imekura, Ukwan Homa. I said the Koboko was no girl when you're a lawyer. Go see that John Omogi also trying. For this no overtake can the Calum Dragon. Overtake is allowed. If you are in your engine steering car, you are slowing, someone can overtake. Overtake is allowed if the overtake is in the right lane. In traffic rule, overtake is allowed. On a board, Jumania Hebra and Anambra State. So there will be an election. On a board, Jumania, more for Tarafona online, Ehno na Ndame na cho imen nam the card eliminate. This is an oru a good leader. Na so bitu onwe. Ona so bitu onwe to Ndame. Onto which levels? Onwe she court ya ruru oga ha ma attend the court ya. All the ready got court to go and answer all the charges. Ofelube. Court declare be yawa wanted military but in a democracy. Biane declare a freedom fighter white wanted. A declare with our all the IPOP group, a terrorist group, then you are happy, then you think now you can come out and talk. If you want to be a patron of Baba Gaginti, how would you believe it? How should be my your own thoughts? Was it a little banana coffee? Nala Biafra. Lehene Manaba. Get Pota, Sanaga to vote. And I to vote, I have won in Nigeria. Who's a freedom fighter? Are you a Nigeria or Biafra? ndị Naijiria tụọ vootu, ndị Biafra anaghị atụ vootu. Owazirike ejula na-asụgbu onwe ya n'ọkụ, ya asụ na ọ na-agbanye ọkụ ma onwe ya ka ọ na-asụgbu. Ozu na-amaghị ka esi akpa egbe ya lekwa egbe anya n'ọdụ. Onye ya na-ekwe nsu na-erikọ nri ọsọ gị were ngaji ogologo asị ekwesị ga-abararị gị n'ọnụ. Gị na ndị nne anyị na-erikọ because onweghị any Biafran on his own, even gị onwe gị on your own, gị nwere ike pụta bịa mee that address without somebody if let you. Only God knows how they get you to come and make that kind of speech. Okay, if you na Nnamdi Kanu na-ezo ezo onwe ozuzo na-ezo ọkụ dara ibube anyụ ha anyụ. Owazirike ichetara how many Masob egburu under your watch, under your leadership? Ndị egburu mee mass burial na nke ugwu anaghị emekwa happen under IPOB. Ọrụ na ga forget those souls, gị forget ya so easily. Egburu under your watch. We IPOB, we cannot forget those our brothers and sisters, our mothers. See what is happening at the state. We cannot just convince ourselves why inside ourselves we are not comfortable. You try to convince yourself what you are doing, you are not comfortable. That's why you start the leading of this Biafra issue after civil war. Not that you are the one, be the founder of it. After civil war, okay, now you are not comfortable, you start it. Now even inside you are not comfortable, then you try to convince yourself that you are comfortable by saying let them vote. Vote for who? Wazirike abịa maybe making salt, but him na agwa gị wo cheki kwa ya cheki o nkwe ha na-ewepụ n'anụ mana were na-eri anụ. Ị gakwasị na agwa agwa. Biafra is spirit. All these souls they kill, they are hovering around, they are at work. There will not be election in Biafra land entirely. If they think they will kill us, let them continue killing us. But one day, they will know that Biafrans, we are not cowards, but we want to follow the law. And United Nations, I'm calling upon you people to take action. See what is happening. For how long are we going to follow this peaceful protest? They are killing our people. For how long? Does it mean that you people don't see anything? Does it mean you people have a number of Biafran citizens you have in your mind they will kill first before you people come and talk or do the right thing? I have seen many videos. The youth are angry. United Nations, think about IPOB. They are not armed. They are killing them in this way. Still, they are still stand strong. No surrender, no retrieve. If these people go for self-determination, just defend themselves with ammunition, it will be so bad. It will be so bad. You people should do the right thing. Why we follow this peaceful protest is because of you people have the power to do the right thing. But it's like the power is paused. We don't need any more that you people will talking about us. Only talk. We need you people to take action. Nigerian organizations have already declared IPOB a terrorist group. You people come and say we are not terrorist group. We don't need only a demand. You people should do something. Back to Wazirike again. Before I left, Wazirike ejima ha Chineke were na ayo gị. Ị mara ihe dị mma ga-eme ya. Ọkwa ofu ha Chineke m ji ayo gị kwa ya ga-akwụkwọ onye ọrụ ụgwọ gbasara ihe this Biafra. Efilikwara na onwe ihe mmadụ ga-emenwu gị ma na onwe ihe ga-eme. Na ọkụkọ lakpuru ụlọ bụ na chi ejie na ọ bụghị n'afọ juru ya chi ife ọ ga-apụtakwa. Kwara onwe gị ugwu ka anyị nwere ike kwekwara gị ugwu. Onye ọ na-ama na aha gị nwe mgbe ị ga-emecha ihe aha gị na-agadịrị aha gị ga-adịrị Uwazirike Chief Ralph Uwazirike, the leader of Masob. Oh yeah, started this journey. I don't care how your journey stop or end, but your name is there. And our leader Nnamdi Kanu emego ya dị clear ọ chọghị iwu president of Biafra ọ bụghị ihe wụ emia ihe wụ emia to let us be free from this slave. No selfish interest. A freedom fighter don't supposed to have a selfish interest. Your speech today is showing that you have a selfish interest. How can you come out and say let them vote? You see what is going on in Biafra land. Python dance in civilians area, working area, market area, home area. People cannot move freely again. There are people that if they do not come out and hustle, they will not eat for that day. Then the soldiers terrorizing Abia State. Many people stay indoor, they say coffee. They are indoor, confused, they don't know how to get their daily bread. Still, soldiers are coming house to house, come and picking them to kill. Uwazirike ị na-ekwu okwu election, ikwukwuru okwu anọdụ m gị ikwuru okwu gbasara this their Python dance, AK dance or whatever, gaa na-egbuchi ya people. Ahụnụ m gị ikwuturu okwu ya atọ. Ikwukwuru okwu ya sị na why are they killing our people in this form? Otu mkpụrụ okwu ezigoro onye mara ihe. Ihe nji were tinye in this form wo ka iwu kewata ya abịa m ebe a ebe kpara gị ma ekpere onye ọbụla. But ihe m na-agwa gị the truth. There are many ways people would express their feelings. Onwe ndị na-eji insult or anger, of course. Okwe ndị na-ejikwe obi umeala were ekwe na-akọwakwara gị, nwekwe ndị na anyhow. Uwazirike, you have to stop all this. Keeping relationship, secret relationship with our enemy will not help you, and it cannot stop Biafra. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. Don't allow yourself to be a tool used against what you start. If not, those people that die under your leadership of Masob, they will chase you. They are not happy with you. Come push it back. Beto, Uwazirike were ire gị gwa eze gị ọnụ. Iwe okenye. Okay, I know no lewe amụ n'ọgbọ. I greet all Biafra. Even you, Uwazirike, I greet you for your work. You say that there will be election. I greet you.